Flashlight?
Okay na po kami na picture na pupunta. Ano po, gusto niyo pa maulitin? Or okay na po yun? Okay na daw po yun. Okay lang po, pagsulat na lang po yung timer natin. And then si Kuya, what's your name natin Kuya? Russ? Russ. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, Kuya, let's go! Meron po yun, hangin nga lang. Alright, bye. Medyo mahaba-haba. Next po, ate, what's your name? Sorry, what's your name? Estelia? Estelia. Okay, si Estelia number 3 po. In 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Happy birthday, sis.
Lara. What's your name now? Okay, thank you so much. Nilagyan ng twist ang kanyang pag-continue. And then, ate. Si mami na lang, pagkaganyan, kailangan galingan ni mami makikita sa malaki ko continue. Again, in 3, 2, 1, let's go! Happy birthday, Lara! Lumaban naman ba? Lumaban? Ang ating fourth player. Let's have ate. What's your name? Marco. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Happy birthday, Lara.
Parang galit yung pagkakatuloy. And syempre si birthday girl, ang sasabihin mo ay happy birthday self. Okay, happy birthday self. Okay, Lara, in 3, 2, 1, let's go! Happy birthday to me. Ayun na lang, yun na lang. Happy birthday to me. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Lara.
Baka naman lumaban yung daddy kasi home court eh. Ay, nakatingin sa time. Talaga naman ayaw magpatalo. Alright!
Did everybody get the gift?
Yeah, later.
Lara po kasi sa pagkaluan na sa simplest first.
Okay, you get this one.
Kasi,
survival natin. And she was, after 2 months, nag-start siya sa akin sa baby labs. And she's a big blessing sa pag-ibig ko. Alright, thank you so much.
Like, kung ano yung question ng natin, so happy birthday. So we wish you a very happy birthday na all structure and I also wish that the continue to be beautiful like Darby and Vincent. Always give happiness to everyone. Love you. Happy birthday.
I really wish na sana magpatuloy yung pagiging mabuti mong bata. Mabuti na nga sa parents mo, dear mommy and daddy. So now that you started with school, make sure to study hard and be good to your teacher and classmates. Okay? I love you. Miss us at home, ah. My birthday! Happy birthday! Love you. Thank you. Thank you so much po. Gusto niyo po mag-slice and cake or we're gonna be continuing with the games? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Sana po nag-enjoy ko kayo.
Ito po, thank you sa lahat. Sa mga bata sa thank you for coming. We really appreciate it. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much.